Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to discuss and I'm going to show you guys is if you guys are ready to take your business globally, I'm going to show you how to do it on Amazon. So I'm going to cover the topic today is how to sell globally and how you can reach in different markets. So let's say, for example, if you're just selling at the moment in just the UK market, you can expand your products in European markets, in other European markets, in Far East markets like Japan or China, Australia, or you can sell on American website, which is the Amazon's main website, which is amazon.com. And I'll be showing you step by step. We'll go through together through the checklist that Amazon has created for us. We will have a look at the checklist, and it's a good thing to just print it out, keep it to yourself. So check, make sure that you tick everything on the checklist before you can start doing your start selling online on globally. Okay, guys. So if you guys are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the content. It will help me a great lot, and it will also help the YouTube algorithm to make sure that the video reaches to a lot of different people. And if you have already subscribed, thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so let's get right into it, guys. I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. So first of all, I'm going to show you how we can get to the Sell Globally page, and then I'm going to tell you for a few important things that we need to keep in mind while we sell globally. So first of all, we just go to our back office and then go into inventory and then sell globally. So once we go there, once we get here, this page basically is everything you need to know about how you want to sell on Amazon globally. Okay, what marketplaces are available, what kind of like how to link the products, how to link the marketplaces, how to automate your pricing, and there are some service providers by Amazon which I'm going to discuss and I'm going to show you guys by the end of the video. And basically everything you need to know, like the tax regulations or like VAT stuff in different countries. This is your main hub. So having said that, if you look at the top, it says sell globally. This is where we are right now. Then understand the basics, which obviously you need to know before you start selling on Amazon. So over here it will tell you the benefits of Amazon Europe marketplaces, Europe only, set up Europe selling account. So it gives you the description, the breakdown, set up Japan selling account, so how you can do all of these things. Okay, and you can read them. Then there's a brand registry program, which obviously I'll make a video some other day because it's a very in-depth program, and then the payment options that you guys have available. So it has got everything over here. Okay, so this is just to start the basics. So the taxes and regulations, what kind of taxes you need, you can watch some videos here, and what service providers Amazon has provided. They are verified by Amazon, and as soon as you use their services, I'm sure you're going to be happy, and you can get your stuff done as per Amazon's requirements. Then products and eligibility, compliance, then listing and pricing, fulfillment, everything, guys, everything, all the basics are here. So I would highly recommend and suggest, make sure that you take your time, read it through, and understand what Amazon wants from you guys before you start selling globally. Because once you start selling globally, your business is just going to take off, and then you won't have time to do all of these things. And it is very important that you know in your head like what is exactly expected of you and how you have to do it. Once you have done that, you can start. You can go to build international listing. Over here you can build your international listings. So what it says is get connected, then offer your SKUs, set the prices. And then all you have to do is just sit, relax, and watch the sales come in. Let me move this picture. So it's over here. If you just click on get started, this is where you will get started to start selling globally on Amazon. Okay. So let me take you back to the Sell Globally page, and this page, sorry, before we do that, there's a Find Provider page. So if you go to the Find Provider page, this is, guys, this is something else. I'm telling you, this is, whenever I come to this place, it just makes I just get super excited, because this Amazon makes it so easy for you guys. But please don't take your eye off the ball. Don't get super excited and say, oh yeah, I'm gonna do that, let's do it, baby. Nah. Hold your horses, guys, hold your horses. Okay, so these are the service providers that Amazon, let's say for example in United Kingdom, I'm in United Kingdom, so I'm going to give you the example. So where do you want to sell in United Kingdom? Okay, let's say if you want to sell in Japan, and what kind of service provider you need help with? Look at the list, guys, look at the list. It's account management, you need accounting help, you need advertising help, you need cataloging help. Cataloging is like if you need products to sell for that particular region. Compliance help, like if you need any help with I don't know, with your compliance, your VATs or whatever. FBA preparation, if you need any like 3PL centers who can help you with the preparation in those particular countries. Imaging help, like if you like anything, international returns, international shipping, IPX letter, storage, taxes, you name it, guys. Every help that your business needs is there. It's just there. All you need is ask and you will get it. So let's say if you go to cataloging and you just press search over here. Now you got all these people here, all these companies who have got thousands of products waiting for you. All you have to do is connect with them and get them to give you the catalogs, and you can list the products, you can sell the products, and that is just gonna be amazing. Look at this. So it says over here, Voltec testing group, toys and children products, household, blah blah blah, smartphones, wireless products. It's like thousands of them, you know. It's just like unbelievable. So we specialize in power supplies, toys, books, food. So whatever you need, whatever help you need, guys, is there. So if you, let's say if you want to go in, sorry, that was compliance. If FBA preparation help, if you go here, press search. This is going to, there you go. So you have around the world trading, you have shipontime.com. These guys will prepare your products and they will ship your products to Amazon's global fulfillment centers, whatever country that you have chosen. Like I've chosen over here Japan. So it's really easy, guys. So but you have to do your homework. Okay, so this is this. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back to the Sell Globally page. There you go. This is your Sell Globally page. Okay, so over here you got your markets: Americas, where US, Canada, and Mexico. Then you have Europe, where you go UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Sweden, and Poland. Then you got Asia Pacific, where you got your Japan account. Then you got Middle East and North Africa, where you have to register over there. I haven't registered yet. So you have all these different accounts where you can sell your products. You have to link your accounts, and then you can get your sales come in. Okay, so if we go to Europe, let's say for example, it says over here, next steps: to add your existing listings to another European market, create a connection using build international listing. So basically what it is saying is that what you need to do is, if you're already selling products on amazon.co.uk and you want to, let's say for example, you want to sell it in Germany or Italy or France, all you have to do is you just have to create a connection between the two accounts, and then your products will automatically be listed onto the German accounts or Italian account or French account, and then from there you can control the pricing and let the system do its work, and you start getting sales. So that is very, very important, guys. Okay, so once you have done that, you have decided which marketplace you have to go to. Don't do that. Let's take a break. Let's hold back. Let's go and check the Amazon's checklist first. Once you know what you are looking in the checklist, then you can go ahead and select your marketplace, and then I'll show you how to create a connection. Okay, so sell internationally on Amazon is a great way to grow your business, but deciding whether to ready to sell it internationally can be challenging. So this is what I'm saying, guys. Do not just be overexcited and jump the guns and say, let's go, let's do it. No. Hold back. Let's have a look at the checklist that Amazon has given us. So where and what to sell, most important question. You need to know your marketplace. So if you're selling in UK and you want to go to Japan, you have to, like me, I have to know like what kind of market Japan is, what kind of products they're going to buy, what kind of pricing is acceptable over there, like what kind of offers they like, and what kind of, basically you just need to know your market. Okay. So understand the basics which I showed you over there, and then you do your research of potential market, including opportunities, size, local customer preferences. Then you have identify appropriate marketplaces, understand tax regulations, understand international fulfillment requirements, like what things you need, including import-export documentation. There's a lot going on behind it, guys. Understand fulfillment options, like what kind of fulfillment you want to do, if you want to use the third-party fulfillment companies, or you want to use Amazon's own FBA systems. Absolutely, there's a lot to think about, guys, before you jump into it. Determine whether your business is ready to sell international. This is one of the most important questions. Like, if your business is not ready to sell internationally, do not expand, guys, I would say, because you would not be able to handle the customer the orders or their demands, and you will end up upsetting the customers. And once you have upset the customers, and trust me, guys, Amazon won't be on your side, and you might even risk losing your account. So please do not jump it. Do not rush it. Take your time. Make sure that you determine if your business is ready to go international. Okay. Decide in which marketplaces you want to begin selling, which is obviously one of the most important things. Once you've done that, you have to register and list your products. Understand how Amazon selling account works. Understand registration requirements. Establish preferred payment methods. Create and connect your accounts. As I said earlier, you have to link your accounts. Once you have linked it, that's it, done. With self-fulfillment or with Amazon fulfillment, I would always, hands down, go Amazon fulfillment, because the other shipment requirements and the tax requirements, the custom requirements, the documentation the list is way too long, guys. So I would never do that, and I would not recommend anybody doing that. Always try and do the Amazon's own fulfillment. Send inventory to Amazon Fulfillment Center, enable FBA exports, and manage customer support. That Amazon will do it for us. Yeah, so this checklist is very important, guys. Once you've gone through the checklist, you have determined your marketplaces, you have determined what products you want to sell, you are 100% sure your business is ready to expand and you are ready to take off, then yes, let's go into the Amazon's backup and create connections. So go and build international listing. Once you're here, all you can see over here is get started. Click on get started, guys, and there you go. So it's showing over here what accounts you can link. So let's say amazon.co.uk, you want to link it with I don't know, let's say Amazon Germany. Once you have done that, not all offers will be eligible to sell. Select your marketplace with most offers. Increase the number of offers connected in the marketplaces. Okay, so you've done that. You need to save and continue. Now, all your offers will be available on Amazon.Germany.de. So if you want to do that, save and continue. It will take you to the next, which is the pricing rule. You select your pricing rules. So I actually do not want to do it, to be honest, on my main account, but I think just to show you guys, I am gonna do it, and then maybe I can just come and take the connection off later on. So save and continue. There you go. So target marketplace is equal to source price plus price rule amount into currency exchange rate. For example, for a target marketplace, you have a source price of 10 and define the price of as 5% below the source price, the currency exchange rate, okay. But what I want to do is I want to have not 5% less, but I want to have 10% more than the source marketplace, obviously because of the cost involved. What I'm going to do is list price and sale price, FBA, percentage above the source marketplace is what I'm going to select, and I am going to say it needs to be at least 20% higher. Once you have this, same as the source marketplace, self-fulfilled, no, it needs to be percentage, self-fulfilled is fine. So list price will be, list price and the sale price will go up, and apply same rules by region, that's fine. Once you have done this, once you have set your pricing rules, you can save and continue. Now it says that you have to review your settings, amazon.de, offers selected, all offers, price synchronization is list price and sale price, price FBA listing is 20% above the price. Okay, so above the source marketplace, which is my .co.uk marketplace, and then the 1 GB is equal to 1.18 euro. Okay, please note that we cannot guarantee the accuracy of the currency exchange rate shown here. That's fine, no problem. So you save and continue. Over here, what it says is agree and create offers. The process and creation can take up to 4 hours. Initial time, you will receive an email, blah blah blah, and you say agree and create offers. Because I don't want to create the offers and the link at the moment, I'm just going to cancel it. But guys, this is all you need to know about how to create connections with your marketplace. While we are at it, guys, when you first open your account, all these links will already be created, so you will have to unlink them. Please unlink them, otherwise when I first started, I did lost a lot of money sending books to France and to Sweden and where else did I said Germany. And I paid for the postage and everything else from my pocket, to be honest, but I still fulfilled the orders because you don't want to cancel them with Amazon, and because your cancellation rate goes up and then it's the problem. Okay, so this is all which is done. That's all from me, guys, on this particular topic. So I'm just going to cancel this. Yeah, and I'll cancel it later on, no problem. Yeah, so if you guys have any other questions, guys, please feel free to ask and in the comment section, and I'll try to help as much as I can. And as always, if you guys have watched the video and you've liked it, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and share the content. And also leave me a comment down below if you need me to do any other videos or any other topics, and I will highly appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you guys later. Bye bye.